We recently hosted the webinar, Embracing Curiosity, Exploring the Potential of Generative AI in Video. In it, our host discussed the potential generative AI has for enhancing human creativity and how it can revolutionize video creation. To kick off the event, our team did a quick introduction to generative technology, explaining that as a type of artificial intelligence, it generates new content, such as text and imagery, from data it is trained on in response to prompts. We discussed the implications generative AI has for businesses and the importance of keeping humans in the loop. We know generative AI is a powerful tool we can use to create highly personalized content and to spark new ideas that boost our creativity. By using a balance of humans and technology, we make sure that the output generative AI produces is not biased or inaccurate. We need to understand how to make sure generative AI works for us by inputting prompts that are specific and accurate. All of these aspects are reflected in SimpleShow VideoMaker, and especially in the Story Generator, SimpleShow's secure AI-based technology for creating high-quality video scripts. The SimpleShow Story Generator addresses the concerns people have when it comes to generative technology. Automated content moderation makes sure that harmful content cannot be created, and any data that is input into the platform cannot be used for training purposes. Because the user actively manages the content generation, human input is always leading the process. Lastly, a guarded prompt generation process makes sure that the Story Generator is only used to generate explainer video scripts. Thank you for your time. Don't forget to watch the full webinar replay to learn more about the exciting advancements of generative AI and its implications for the future of video creation.